Hello everyone, Teacher Teresa here to talk about Outschool. Another great thing about it, no reward systems. None of the crazy clutter that you need for VIP Kid. This is my Outschool classroom. Nothing goes up here unless it's something that I need for the class. No junk, no useless nonsense, no killing of your time wasted giving rewards that the students do not care about nor need anyway. Sure, maybe some of the little ones really enjoy the rewards on VIP Kit. But there are plenty of students who don't need them at all, and it's a complete and utter waste of time. So glad when I teach on Outschool, this is all we need. And you don't even have to decorate your background if you don't want to. There's no requirement to have a classroom style background. And part of that's because some courses are taught outside, especially if you're teaching how to change tire. You're certainly not going to have a classroom. So there's so much more flexibility over at Outschool than there is at VIP Kid, and that is among the most wonderful things about it. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you next time. Bye.